Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Sarah. We're from Vita team.
And I am Aisha. Today we are going to make pineapple jam. Did you know the same amount of fresh pineapple chunk provides vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium, and iron? Cool, right?
Ooh, so cool. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's start cooking. Well, we need 1 medium-sized pineapple, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and Swiss rolls and sourdough bread to eat it with. And of course, we'll need to store the pineapple jam, right? We'll use a jar.
I cannot wait anymore. Let's start cooking.
Of course. Let's start cooking then.
First, we should cut the pineapple into slices, then blend it. Blend the pineapple slices until they're really mushy.
Well, look at that. It's all mushy now. Well, after that, we should pour it into the deep pan. Sorry about that. Stir it well on a low heat until most of the liquid evaporates.
Stir it with a wooden spoon to avoid it burning.
Smells delicious. Well, now we'll have to add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. If you're a sweet tooth, you can add 2 cups of sugar. But we're more to the healthier pineapple jam. Here we go. Ooh, this smells so delicious, right?
Yeah, it really does.
I can't wait to eat this.
Same. Keep the jam in a jar and put it in the fridge for it to cool down so it thickens.
Did you know the preservation method we're using for this pineapple jam is called bottling? This will make the pineapple jam last longer. I hope this recipe is very helpful for you when you're making homemade pineapple jam.
I can't wait anymore. I'm starving. Let's try it out already.
Okay, be patient, Aisha. Try our pineapple jam out and get your Vita power today. Remember to stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. Bye-bye!